Great designs don't happen by chance. They are created through determination, innovation, technical expertise, and a commitment to continuous improvement. At Gulf Engineering, we believe every successful project starts with accurate planning and professional drafting. Our design and drafting department is dedicated to delivering high-quality engineering drawings that comply with international standards and meet client requirements with precision and excellence. From concept development to detailed engineering, our experienced team provides reliable and efficient solutions for civil engineering, structural engineering, mechanical engineering, STOD Pro modeling and analysis, BIM modeling and coordination, Tekla structures, modeling and detailing, fabrication, architectural drawings. Every drawing we produce is designed to improve accuracy, enhance productivity, minimize errors, and support successful project execution. Looking for professional drafting and engineering support? We're ready to work with you. Gulf Engineering, where great designs begin. Contact us today and bring your vision to life.